I will have to move those in there and also move the kitchen from here. No work for me. This is the only way. Still here? No. Come on. Now, go get some food. How big they become. They will sprout in a few days. Next day, they're even more plumped. So many trees. Only a little bit today, but these are cleaned. So these are bad, but at least they're closed. So when we use them, if we use them, we'll change the caps. Day 4. Nobody's speaking. They're still chunky. Oh, wait. We have our first baby. It's a baby. If I were a seed, which one would I be? I think this one, the odd one out. Yeah, probably. today have one that grew a bit more. Nobody else does this one? No? Oh, we have another. Oh, one more. And a few more. We'll have a forest soon. We'll be finishing those ones today. Nope. Nope. Then here for now. Now a bit more sorting out. These are so adorable. And if you wonder, I haven't done anything. Mold is still spreading, but I'm not here all day, so I'm fine. And this is drying slowly. You can see how much it dried. We have all these. English baby. I need some more sorting. It was called These Are Dead. This isn't. The avocado is still fine. Oh no, these are frozen. Interesting. How are they still fine? Oh, they're soft. And this is the cherry. The white cherry. It grew this much. Here is the graft. I think it's really good. Maybe next year I have to cut all the branches here. I have to watch a video again. And this is a bit wider. I don't know if you can see, but there is a little bit of line. You can see. I can do this part and try to do something here. At last I can do some of this again. We'll be continuing here. And we have Katie. And it has worm. Don't sniff around. Cutie, just be a cocoon in there. Well, this will be it for now with the lime. This is annoying, but I'm not trying to clean it right now because I will be in here, so I don't want to breathe those spores. Oh well, now it's too liquid and we have a ball. I will sip some more. And this is for today. And that's it for this week.